Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to give you a quick overview of the 5 Whys tool. We're going to use a couple of templates in PowerPoint and Excel. There will be a link under the video in case you need to download them. Okay? So basically the 5 Whys is a tool that will help you identify the root cause of a problem as opposed to the superficial cause of a problem. So how does it work? Usually you are in a brainstorming session or a workshop session, and you start by defining the problem. Okay? Once you've got a clear understanding of the problem, you ask yourself why multiple times till you reach the root cause of this problem. And once you've got the root cause of this problem, you can define your solution. Okay? So this is a PowerPoint template that our clients like to use. You insert your problem statement, then why you answer, why you answer, why you answer, etc. till you reach the root cause of the problem, and then you can define the solution to the root cause of the problem. Okay? Please note that sometimes you may reach the root cause of the problem after 3 whys, 4 whys, 5 whys. You know, it will of course depend on the situation. So let me give you a real-life example from one of our clients. So we had a client that had a retail store that experienced a 20% decline in sales, and they wanted to know why. So we organized a little brainstorming session, and we asked ourselves multiple times why. So a 20% decline in sales, why is that? Because there were fewer customers that were visiting the store. Okay, why? Because there were construction in front of the store and people didn't know how to access the store. Okay, why is that? Because the management of the store didn't communicate with the customers the new way to access the store. Okay, and why is that? Well, because the store's management did not anticipate such a construction site in front of the store. And why is that? Because there was a lack of coordination and communication between the store management and the construction company. Okay? So we can see that here we have a superficial cause and there is nothing really we can do. But here we start to understand exactly the root cause of the problem. And based on that, we can identify or define our solution, which was to improve the communication between the store management and the construction company, and also to proactively inform customers of the new way to access the store. Okay, so that's very simple exercise that will help you define the right solution to your problem, basically. Okay. So that's another example. I know that some of our clients prefer to use Excel rather than PowerPoint, so we also have an Excel template with a problem statement, first why, second why, fifth why, and then the solution. And once again, you can download that with the link under the description. I hope it makes more sense. Please subscribe to our newly created YouTube channel, and if you have any question, you can send us an email at support@domondconsulting.com, and one of our Tier 1 management consultants will get back to you, usually within 1 or 2 business days. Thank you for your attention.